Ciao bambini! A friend of mine just got back from New York. Bambini, un amico appena tornato da New York e mi ha portato un'idea. He came back with a great idea. What do you think about my hat? Do you like my hat? It's fantastic. Che cappello che ho, eh? Comunque, questa è l'idea. Lui mi ha fatto vedere come si fa a fare un cappello. Questo è il vostro regalo. This is how to make a hat. And this is your Easter gift from me. So let's see what we need to make this hat. We need this is kind of big. Grande pennello, un pennello grande. Maybe this one is okay. So we need a brush. We need a pencil to make the design. We need scissors. We need something to measure with. We need pins. We need stencils. And we need colored paper, as well as some glue. And of course, we need this, which is a strip of paper, colored paper. So we need un pennello, un righello, a pencil, we need stencils, we need colored pins, we need paper, carta, we need scissors, and we need glue, and una striscia di carta colorata. Oh, I forgot! Also, the plate. You need a paper plate. Un piatto di carta, che questa è la cosa più importante, serve. Ok, now we're going to make a hat. Adesso facciamo un cappello insieme. Siete pronti? Now, let's make a hat. Adesso facciamo un cappello. First, we need the plate. The plate, we have to measure the size. So, we have our ruler, righello, e lo misuriamo. Facciamo da qua a qua. And then adesso facciamo la stessa cosa qua. We're going to do 6 petals, or 8 petals, 8 petals. Petali, 8 petali. Ecco, so we've divided it. As you can see, it's not perfect, into 8 pieces. Then we need a pair of scissors, and we're going to cut out along the line. And this is the last cut. Oh, finally. So now let's open it up. Apriamo tutti i lati, così, bene. Apriamo tutto. Oh, fantastic. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Adesso abbiamo 8 petali. Now we need to glue the circle around. Last bit of glue on here, and we're ready to go. Mettiamo un po' di l'ultimo pezzo di collo qua e siamo pronti di mettere questo. Ok. So, piego così. Metterlo dentro. Ecco, e comincio a attaccarli. There you are! Now it's ready. All we have to do is decorate it. Okay, now we need to decorate the hat. So to decorate it, we need to make stencils. To decorare il cappello dobbiamo fare un po' di stencils. Su un pezzo di carta, cosa fai? Si mette giù e poi disegna. Lo puoi tagliare questi fiori come volete voi. You make the design and cut them out, one for one. These are the designs that you can make. You can also fold the paper in half and make more designs. Puoi anche piegare la metà o anche in 4 e fai un stencil per 4 volte, così non risparmiamo un po' di tempo. There you go. Okay, so now I've cut out. Okay, so now we have, this is one we've cut out. And this is just one of the flowers that we've cut out. So now we've also made different flowers. You can take I've already prepared all of these. As you can see, we have the butterfly. It's a really nice butterfly. And different types of flowers. You can also take your pins and mark in the middle and color it different colors. Okay, like this. Now we're going to get the glue and start putting each flower on the hat. Adesso prendiamo un po' di colla e mettiamo i fiori attaccato. Insomma, questo prendo che mi piace di più. Questo qua. E poi cominciamo ad attaccarli al cappello. Possiamo mettere uno sopra qua, per esempio. And you go all the way around the hat and decorate the hat any way you want to. On the top, on the bottom, all around until you have a nice, wonderful design. So you puoi attaccarli dove vuoi tu. Okay, that looks like that's good enough for me. Wow, that's beautiful. Look with the nice butterfly in the front. Beautiful, ecco. So there is the Easter bonnet for the Easter bonnet parade. Fantastic, great hat. I can't wait to see your Easter bonnet. Bye-bye, everybody.